Hey, if we gotta haul all these toys out to the field, what do we need to put them in?
A big bin.
A big bin?
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, if we want to try to get those out to the field, what do we need to we can't carry those.
We have to get a four-wheeler.
All right, or the Ranger. Let's go, Lane.
No, Buddy, this Ranger has no tractor to sit on.
Should we get the Gator?
No, let's get Ranger.
The Ranger? Okay.
No, Gator. No, the Gator.
Let's go get the Ranger.
Yeah, the Gator's
All right. Where is the Ranger? I can't find it.
right here.
Oh, found it. Parking brake on. These are way too heavy. All right, jump in. I hope not.
Now look back.
Go slow, they won't fall out. Play in the field or the grass right here by the corn?
Grass by the corn.
All right. There, watch out. Alright, what do we got inside? Holy buckets.
Yeah, that big.
Alright, what's in the other one?
This was damaged and stuff. That was making the damage. Oh, this is horrible.
Holy buckets. You better get some wagons hooked up to the tractor.
I'm gonna go just in the field.
Hey, that looks familiar.
What?
Those wagons and the tractor.
Hey, you have to close the tractor.
Oh no, you gotta close it.
Oh gosh.
Lane, only hook up 2 to a tractor.
Lane, only hook up
2. Get a new tractor, Laner Bug.
Wait,
Get a new tractor and hook up another set.
No.
Yep, go get another tractor. We got a ton. Let's go find a good one.
Let's go find a good one.
Lane, let's find a good tractor.
This is a good tractor.
Oh.
Hey!
Oops. Here, Lane. There you go. You got 2 sets.
My tractor's going to...
Hook this one up, Lane.
My tractor's going
Hook it up. Here you go, Laner Bug.
My tractor's plowing.
Laner.
My tractor's plowing, Dad.
Hey, buddy, come here. Come here. We need different. We need a bigger tractor. The old M can't pull it. Hook it up to a bigger tractor.
Oh, M can't pull it?
The M can't pull it.
Yeah.
That's for the augers. Go disking through the field. You gotta disc this whole area. You better disc it. Here, Lane Bug. Lane, here. Hey, why don't you guys disc together? Here you go. Go disc again. Disc together. All right. The first step is planting season. Here we go. Here's the planter. Laner, nope, leave the work truck over here. Here we go. Okay, who's gonna plant the field?
Me.
All right, Lane, plant the field. Good job. Turn around, plant the other rows.
Yeah, he's doing good stuff.
He's doing a really good job. Oh, the planter got unhooked.
Uh-oh.
Well, that's gonna mess with the end rows. All right, keep planting. Oh, Laner, keep planting. Oh, Casey, your turn to plant. He took over. He's going to the wagons.
Yeah, what's he doing? What's after this?
What's after planting? Okay, once the corn pops up, what do you gotta do? What do you gotta do when the corn pops up?
Harvest.
You gotta harvest it. So what are you gonna use out of these toys over here? Which one are you gonna use to harvest the corn, Case?
This one! This one.
Which one? No, that's the plow. Which one harvests the corn? What harvests the corn?
This!
All right, you better harvest the corn.
I'm driving the auger cart wagon.
Okay, come here, Lane. You gotta harvest over here where we just planted. Crazy driver. Crazy driver. Oh, got some weeds. Pop Marty didn't spray very well. All right, we gotta dump it in the wagons, Lane. Go get the wagons, pull them up next to it.
No, we have to get these corn. It's not filled up in back. Look, there's no corn in there.
There's no corn? All right, we better get corn.
I'm driving logs and tractors.
Get some corn, Lane, here and put it in there.
Get corn, man.
All right, put it in the combine. All right, now what do we gotta do?
Go fill up.
All right, Case, go.
Wayne, get a lot.
That's okay. Okay, why don't you drive the wagons around, Case?
Okay.
Yeah, you better back up.
Uh-oh, the trailer got hooked.
It got unhooked.
It's going downhill.
Oh no. That's a new technique.
And then it's going back carving. Uh-oh, we're losing corn. Back up.
You're done harvest, so now what do we gotta do, Lane? All right, bring the plow to the field.
No, I'm still harvesting.
You're still harvesting? Oh, we haven't filled it.
Wait, we didn't fill all the carts. We have to look. There are carts over there for that tractor truck. That other cart's over there for that tractor. It's waiting for me. I found that other tractor's waiting for me, Jeff. Oops, combine.
Here you go, Lane. Turn it around. Bring it back.
Lane, it's not filled up in the hopper. It's not filled up in the hopper. It's not filled up. It's starting corn in.
Yep, putting it in. Shh.
All done.
All right. All right, now after we're done harvesting, what do we got to do to the field?
No, you're do this.
Why don't you get your disc? Get your cultivator.
Okay.
Get your field cultivator. All right, we got two field.
Get my guy on my tractor.
We got two. Oh, Laner, you lost your disc.
Oh no, Lane.
Lane.
Lane, you lost your disc.
Here, Laner. Lane, get your disc.
I need that for
Case, bring your field cultivator over.
Okay,
Hook her up, Laner bug. Lane's disc in the field over there. All right, go ahead. Oh no, came unhooked.
on. One more here. Yeah. Where did we get the tick?
What happened, farmer?
I got the tick broke. Amber, let me get it.
Lego farmer. Let's see. What'd you drop?
The tick.
Where at?
I did. Right here.
All right, pick it up. See if it'll go. Where's it go?
In the tractor.
Okay, yeah, we can put the broken parts in the tractor.
I know more.
Uh-oh, hey, what happens when something breaks? What do we have to do? What vehicle has to come out?
The work truck.
The work truck, go get it. All right, drive it out to the field. Here comes Papa Marty to save the day. Oh, here comes the work truck, the bunk bed truck. He's entering the field now.
It's showing you this. Where's the part? Where's the part?
Get the parts in the tractor.
But he's gonna still harvest. He's gonna go try and fix the bolt.
Okay.
He's gonna take it. Lane, go take it somewhere. Lane, go take the.
Oh, you better go for a parts run, Laner. Take the truck. No, Laner, take the truck for a parts run. Go get a new part. Take it over.
Take this.
Well, you got to take that, Laner. Take it with you
Lane, go take
and go to the parts store. All right, where's the parts store, Laner? All right, parts store's over here. Do we got a new part? All right, let's take her back. We got the new part. Let's go. Drive the truck back. We got the new part.
There's dust flying out of his truck.
All these dusty gravel roads. Oh! Hey, there goes the combine. There goes a real combine. It's a little bigger than ours. Did you? Yeah. Did you fix the part, Laner?
Yep.
All right. Case, try her again. Let's see if it'll work. All right, bud. Try it again.
Wait. I fixed it.
Pretend you fixed it? Okay.
I fixed it. Now what are we going to do? We're going to go get fields.
Finish field cultivating.
Let me go take the bunk bed truck.
Yep, better move the bunk bed truck out of the field so we don't run it over.
Lay the booms, dude.
Here comes a backup tractor. Well, that's quite the, oh, down goes Lanerbug.
I'm going. Here comes the bunk bed truck.
Part delivery. There you go, there's the part. Say, it looks like it's gonna take all night to fix this part.
Yeah.
Say, we'll see you tomorrow. Say,
Fix it tonight wash it all night. Bye-bye.
Say see you tomorrow, everybody.